Yeah. Now let's see. Okay, the blackberry. Blackberry. Okay, blackberry. And yeah, that one is the blackberry. You can see, and this is the persimmon tree. Yeah. You can have a look. This will be red. Okay. Red persimmon in the month of September. Right. You can have a look. All of it. It's full of, this place is full. Okay. And this one is what we wanted, spices. Okay. And this one is the black fig tree. Okay. That's here. Yeah, that one is the apricot. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, good. Let's see. Lots of plants. Okay, good. Again, you know the blackberry here? Oh, yes. Yeah. Where? Come again. This one? Okay. So it's a spring water from the stone. The water gushes out from the stone. Yeah. Okay, good. Now let me see. This is the wheat crop. Okay, and that you can see here. That is the area. You know, we have covered from the village. This is acacia tree. And that one is the walnut. Like yeah. This one is huge. This is a big industry, the persimmon, the Japanese apple. People dry it and then export. This is the tree. It's huge here. People just throw it at each other during the season. They don't eat it. It's so much. Yeah. But there was some Canadian industry, in fact, you know, like company, they were drying it and then exporting. Right, okay. Let's see.